Hey there, Sales Funnel Nerd here, and welcome to today's video where we're going to do some integration and testing. So what we want to do is make sure that we've created a form in our email, and if you need to, just go back to that lesson about forms, and it'll walk you through setting up your email form. We need an email form, we need an email list if you're in certain autoresponders. So our email list and our email form, those are going to come into play with our squeeze page, because our squeeze page is going to capture people's information and put them on, use that form and put them onto our email list. Okay, so we want to make sure that we've created our form and that we've integrated with our software, integrated our softwares together, right? Our website builder and our email autoresponder. Now, once we've gone and done that, what we want to do is test. Make sure that we use our email address and try it out. Make sure that the emails come, that they look properly, that you got added to the right list, that there wasn't any problems, because we want to make sure we get those problems ironed out before we waste any time and money going live. Make sense? Totally, right? So let's talk about integrations and how we get all this stuff hooked together. Now, the nice thing is we only have to do this once, and it's super, super easy. So let's take a look. So here I am over in ClickFunnels, and this is going to be the same pretty much regardless of whichever program you're using. You should be able to do this from your website builder to your email autoresponder as far as the integration. It probably goes the other way, but I'm not going to concern myself with that, and I don't think you should either. So here's what I mean. You just need to go into Account, and then boom, the second item in the list, Integrations. So you can see it's got a little like a plug there. So that's kind of what we're doing, is we're plugging our email autoresponder into our website builder. So if we click on the integrations, here we can see the different softwares that we can integrate with, right? We've got email software platforms that we can integrate with, webinar, text, and some other ones. So what we're worried about here is email. You can see I had Aweber connected here before, but then I moved on to Drip, and that's why I have Drip connected right now. So to go in and add a new integration, all we're just going to do is just click on the button that says Add New Integration. We can give it a nickname and call it whatever we want, Test. And then here we see, whoa, we got a lot of services that will integrate with ClickFunnels here. So tons and tons. I'm just going to kind of go up here and then just kind of slowly scroll down the list a bit. In case you see anything that you want to check out as far as any additional email marketing softwares that are out there. Myself, I really only use my website builder and my email autoresponder. There are lots of other extra stuff that you can use that will integrate with ClickFunnels. So if we were doing Aweber, we would just select Aweber in the list here, and then we would hit connect. So what happens next after we do this? I don't have Aweber. Well, let's see. So after we click, we're taken over to an authorization page for Aweber, right? And basically it's asking for our username and password for our Aweber account, and that we want to allow access. So we're allowing ClickFunnels access to Aweber, right? Or to Drip, or to the other one. So that's what's going to happen, is you're going to get prompted to throw in your username and password for your email autoresponder service in order to integrate and connect them. So I know it seems like a lot, but it's really not, and you only have to do it once. Once that's set up, we can go into settings and then integrations here. And our autoresponder integration is not connected. So all we have to do is, once it's set up, you'll know, because you'll be able to click on this integration here. Let's go with Drip. And then what we would do is add them to a list with a tag. We can even delete them from a list if we wanted here. But this is where we would go and set up the integration. So once you've gone in here, selected the list that you want to add them to, you would save, you would hit preview and open this page up. And then you would go hit it, type in your first name, type in your email address, and then hit the submit button there and see and make sure that it works properly, that you get added to the right list, that your lead magnet gets delivered to you. This is where we start messing around with things and ensuring that it works. So go in there, try this out, get your integration set up, and do your thing and have fun with it. And I will see you in the next video.